What's up, everybody? Quick update for you today. It's about 10:39 a.m. Eastern Time on Friday, December 8th, and the jobs report came out this morning, and it says unemployment is unexpectedly down, and the U.S. added more jobs than was anticipated. So analysts were predicting we would add 185,000 jobs, but we added more than that, 199,000 jobs. So that means the labor market is still very strong. Now, if the labor market is strong, that would mean the Fed would not really want to cut rates, and they would not want to cut rates anytime soon. So that would mean that the market should be in the red. As you can see, everything is green, 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 everything green. So there's something weird happening here, because in the past, at least for the past few months, the markets would turn green when there is bad economic data. They would turn red when there's good economic data. And today there was good economic data and the markets are green. So something is a little weird today. Just pointing that out there for you guys to know. So taking a look at Palantir, which was one of the stocks I'm taking an eye on, it is trading pretty low near its Bollinger Bands, it may be a good potential opportunity to start giving a little buy, because it could swing back up to $20. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing in these charts right here. And one of the people I'm following, Trading with Henry, he's also pretty bullish on Palantir, and he's saying these are pretty good levels right here. As you can see, there was a big drop recently, followed by another big drop. So with everything being green, it might be time to do a little bit of nibbling. But we do have a gap right here. So this gap could pose an issue and have it drop back down to the $14, $15 area. But if we can stay above this $17, then it might be a good opportunity to get in for a little swing to the upside. Taking a look at Nvidia, it is also starting to creep up a little bit, back up to about 500, might be the top of the Bollinger Band there. Not financial advice, but I did take a position, a small one, when it dropped down to the 450s down here. And I had sold a bunch of put options at the 440 range. So if it had gone down to 440 next week Friday, that's when those options would expire. Those were my put options, but I don't know if it will make it there. It seems like this 450 is heavy resistance for Nvidia right now, so I bought some, just not using options, just a little position down to the 450s, and it's gonna creep, and hopefully it'll creep up and go back to the top of the Bollinger Bands for a nice swing. And taking a look at Bitcoin and all the other cryptos, looks like it is still up high, doing a little bit of a consolidation right here down to the 43,000, 43.5. Now it's creeping back up to 43.9, and it's going to probably keep consolidating for a little bit, and we might have another pop up from 44. Although it is very high right now, so be aware. I'm not going to chase this price right now. I'm going to wait to see till maybe after the ETF is approved what happens then. It could just keep going forever, which is very possible, or it could pull back after that. But right now I'm trying to stay clear of Bitcoin. I have been playing a little bit of Chainlink right here. So Chainlink did do a big drop down to, see here, if I changed it to the 5-day, there was a big drop earlier and it went down to the $14.80 some. I did pick some up there. Again, not financial advice, just something that I am doing myself. When it dropped down to 14, now it's jumping back up to the 15.16s, and now it's 16.76. It was at 17 before. But I'm going to keep holding on to my Chainlink and keep buying these dips until Bitcoin goes up to maybe 48,000 is at the top of the Bitcoin range. And when that happens, I'll probably exit my Chainlink positions.